Right, for today we have this Audi on the lift. If you watch the video, you're gonna see step by step how I diagnose the problem and how I fix it. Okay, now that it's off, we'll check the bearing, I guess. Let's hope we'll find something. Apparently there are two models. This one is one with external cylinder for the clutch. So basically this is the cylinder. We have a fork that pushes down on the pressure bearing, the throwout bearing. We'll check what we can, and if we don't find anything, we're gonna get the gearbox off. I don't really see anything usual. I was hoping that I'm gonna see some dust or some metal specks here in the clutch housing, but there's none. I'm gonna take off the cylinder for the clutch and check it even more to see if we find something. Cylinder is out. I don't see anything special, so I guess we're gonna take the gearbox off to see. Now that we are finished with the protections around the gearbox, we are gonna continue with the drive shaft. Left one is the most important one because we are gonna take the long thing out. Okay, so I guess we cannot get out the axle shaft because it is the rock here. But what I'm gonna try to do is to remove the gearbox, set it a little bit backwards, and to see if we have enough place to just jiggle this thing out. On the right side, I'm gonna just remove the axle shaft from the gearbox here and possibly have enough space to jiggle the gearbox out. Okay, the part down there was pretty relatively easy, but now we're gonna see the plastics and covers on the upper part. Okay, the firewall is out. As you can see, even now, with all of those parts off, to the bolts for the gearbox, you cannot even see them. Now I'm gonna just undo the bolts for the gearbox and see how it moves, and the gearbox linkage. For this part I'm not gonna be able to show you very much because it's underneath the car. It shouldn't take me long. The bolts for the bell housing, they're this kind of head. They are the 12-point head, the 19mm socket. Actually the 18. They're aluminum. I just undid the shifter linkage, it's right here, and we have another bolt on the other side. After that, the gearbox is disconnected. I'm really hoping I didn't forget any bolt, but it's likely to be okay. It's moving. Hoping I could get this drive shaft out. I cannot get it out. And this one. And I think what I'm gonna have to do is to take this arm off to make more space for it to go in that direction and just pull it out. I'm hoping it's gonna be enough, just this arm. found the problem of the noise. It's actually this flywheel. As you can see, there's a lot of play and a lot of marks of scraping. So this flywheel is done. Okay, now we have the new clutch in. What I forgot to mention is that we used a second-hand flywheel. In this last part, I'm just gonna reassemble everything and put it back together and finishing with this car. Now in this video I didn't have time for the test drive, but I guess we're gonna do it next time. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe. I'm gonna do more of these videos coming soon.